Hey guys, I'm Casey77. I want to tell you guys is that even though it's like almost near to 100 degrees, just look at it, it's raining outside. See? Shit. It's really raining outside. It's raining hard. I think it's a bad spot to be. I'm gonna go right out there. See? See? Just look at it. Oh yeah, look at that. It's gonna make me really soaking wet. Oh shit. This is waterproof, this camera. God damn it. Look at that. Let me just run into the shade. Whoa, it's cold. It's cold. Whoa, look at this rain. Everyone is under the rain. Joe, it's raining. Everyone's scared. It's raining so much. Oh, I'm under this sheet here, so it's protecting me not to get wet. Look at this rain! The water's coming right out of there. Careful. Oh, wow. Yeah. Dude, the wind is not helping it. Oh, shit. This is a great summer. Holy shit. Oh my God, it's getting worse. Oh my God. Is it in Flushing Main Street? Casino. Oh shit. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, thunder. Whoa. Where's that coming from? The water's coming out of the ground. That's crazy. Alright, I'm Casey77. Telling you guys is that it's summer, but it definitely is a tropical storm. Not yet, not really. Yeah. Oh my God, I hope you guys enjoy your weekends and probably have a better weather than I have. Oh my God, that was crazy. I want to go inside. The rain's barely stopped now. Oh, look at my water. Just look at it. See that there? It's already filled with water. And my pump is not sucking as much. And you gotta be careful. There's an electrical problem, so it's gotta be really careful with that. Okay, oh shoot. Now that was crazy. Have a good day.